me. I did everything last minute. I waited till Friday, till like 12 p.m. to start doing stuff. If you guys can hear me a little bit better, I hope you guys can, because I got my exhaust done. So the exhaust is not right under us no more. It is where it should be. I found a place that did it pretty cheap. They did it for $320. I had to pay cash because no other exhaust shop wanted to do it. But they came through, you know, they got it done. Right now I'm on my way to go mount some tires. I bought some tires right now. I have my 16s. I went to go buy these tires right now because they were the only tires I could find, because I was looking everywhere. They're a little bit small, like they're like car tires. They're like 205, 55, 16, so they're small. But either way they'll work. They're for burnouts, you know. I have six tires, yeah. 6 tires, 3 pairs of tires that we're gonna blow up tomorrow. I put those 2 sensors back on with the exhaust, and I thought that was gonna fix my problem, that of it running like shit. I knew it wasn't gonna run at its best, but it still runs horrible, and I need a tune for that. That's a problem. Show's tomorrow. Right now it's 6:30. Who's gonna tune a truck at this time? Nobody. But I found somebody that can. I was calling all over the place. I was like, hey, can you tune a truck today? The closest I found was Monday, which is, you know, for what? But I ended up finding somebody to do it tomorrow morning. The show is tomorrow. We're gonna go at 8 a.m. to go get the truck tuned. Hopefully it runs good. All we need to do is to do some burnouts, because I don't know if you can hear it. Look, it just runs. It just sounds like shit, honestly. Like, it still sounds like it's drowning, like it can't breathe, none of that. We need the truck to breathe some more so it can give us some nice burnouts. Because, you know, swinging was cool the whole time, but you need to stop and burn out for a little bit sometimes, man. Because it takes forever to blow tires when you're just swinging around and around. You gotta burn out for a little bit, just so, you know, you're not in the pit for 10 minutes like I was every pair of tires. And also my power steering went out, so I gotta turn it really hard. And then I bought a new balance too, so we gotta put out on that. And I'm gonna get home like 7:30. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put on the balance right now or tomorrow. And then I'm not gonna trailer the truck because the show's like an hour away, and I don't wanna be carrying on a trailer. So we're just gonna drive it tomorrow. Let's hope it doesn't blow up, and we'll be fine. But I'm on my way with my boy Luis right now. He changes my tires at his crib, which is perfect for me because every single tire shop be closed all the time. Last time before the show in Utah, he changed the tires like at 8 p.m. and it was raining too. It was crazy. Right now the weather's better though, and I just brought 4 this time. So. About to wake up the whole neighborhood in the middle of the night. It's 12. Actually, that's not that late actually, but it is pretty late to be turning this truck on. It took, truck's running like shit, so it took a while to find somebody to tune it, especially like same day. I had to hit up like 6 tuners, and I only found like, the closest was like Monday. They're like, oh, we could do it on Monday. I'm like, damn, bro, like I kind of need it today. But we found it, so we're gonna go take it right now so he could have it done in the morning. Don't bend the wheel like I did. I'm tired, Brian. I need a nap, so Brian's driving. Oh no, this is funny. Why is everybody tuning their truck last minute? Yo, everybody's getting their truck tuned at 1 a.m, bro. A day before the show, bro. Everybody's getting their truck tuned. That's crazy.
No fue de picture, nomás la EMC, la I know, bro. ¿Sí viste la que nos vinimos?
Yeah.
La shorty. La shorty, un verguiza.
started like at 8 a.m. Right now it's 11. So we're already late, but it doesn't matter as long as the truck goes right. Truck is tuned. It's running beautiful. This is the latest we've ever gone to a show. It's 3 p.m. 2:30. It's 2:30. I gotta get home. The tuner was all the way across town. I gotta go all the way back across. I gotta pick up 2 tires, my jack, my impact gun, y fuga. I'm driving it there, so hopefully it doesn't blow up. But the truck's running beautiful, y'all. God bless my boy for real, cause I wasn't gonna find nobody else to tune this shit, especially this good. Like, it's running amazing, and it burns out like nothing, like butter. I'm about to see for real, but hopefully we make it. It's like an hour and 20 minutes away. Hopefully I'll make it by 4. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to zoom there. But truck's running beautiful. It sounds beautiful. They replaced the spark plugs, the wires. I still need some O2 sensors, but besides that, it's running amazing. We just got here. The second we walked in here, we started blowing up tires.
About time someone pops
Desmadre
something.
la verga, for real.
I popped an engine.
Second set done. It's already 5 p.m. A lot of people already left. But we got one more set of tires to blow up. My boy hizo garras estas. Shit. Fog light fell out. Two winners right here. So what's up, y'all? Congratulations. Over here in the middle of nowhere, y'all. Show just ended. It was a very hot day. The truck aguantó like what, 3 pairs of tires. I ended up saying, pues ni mo. And did the 24. We got all the little 16s. We did the 15 too, but it didn't blow up. This one didn't have no air, but it was cool. It was a cool show all around. My boy Pelon ended up letting me borrow his 18s to get home, so I was like, I'll keep blowing the rest up. So that's why we got these on, and that's the only reason why I blew up everything I brought. Like, that one's a 15, so I didn't want to put it on because it's way too big for like the tire. But shout out to everybody I went to the show, everybody that came to this one, thank you. Remember guys, go cop the merch, sidewaystore.com, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.